Heavy short-range operation. During heavy, short-range operation, sometimes minimum rest periods are scheduled for several days in a row, restricting sleep night after night. The effects of restricting sleep night after night accumulate, so that people become progressively less alert and less functional day after day. This is sometimes described as accumulating a sleep debt. The shorter the time allowed for sleep each night, the faster alertness and performance decline. For example, one laboratory study found that spending 7 hours in bed for 7 consecutive nights was not enough to prevent a progressive slowing down in reaction time. The decline was more rapid for a group of participants who spent only 5 hours in bed each night, and even more rapid for a group who spent only 3 hours in bed each night. This is described as a dose-dependent effect of sleep restriction.